Good evening and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Let's take a look at this weekend's forecast, starting with tonight's rainfall. Over the eastern parts, thunderstorms developed from early on, some of these storms making their way to the KZN coastline, so we could see a few thunder showers in Durban this evening. Otherwise, scattered storms already visible over Gauteng, Mpumalanga and the Eastern Free State, and storms developed from early on the border of the Northern Cape and Northwest. The South African Weather Service has a watch for severe thunderstorms this evening over the Highveld of Mpumalanga, the Eastern Free State and the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Now, our evening rainfall forecast shows an 8% chance of thunder showers in a similar area, including the southern parts of Limpopo. There is a 60% chance of thunderstorms tonight over the northern parts of South Africa, and some of these storms could last well into the morning hours of Saturday, while we're expecting thunder showers to clear quite early on over the central interior. Now, tomorrow we're expecting another cloudy start to the day over the northeastern part. It will be much warmer over the rest of South Africa, especially the far western parts where temperatures could exceed 30 degrees. And in the northeast, there's a 60% chance of thunderstorms once again, but we're expecting drier conditions by Sunday. As far as winds are concerned, southeasterlies will be moderate to fresh in the Lowveld tonight, as well as along the west coast. Fresh southerly to southwesterlies are predicted for the west coast tomorrow afternoon. Onshore winds along the east coast will be moderate at times, but light winds are likely over the eastern and central interior. Now, morning temperatures start off quite low over the southern interior, down to 10 in Graafrenet overnight, 7 degrees in Sutherland, but it will be a mild morning along the Eastern Cape coastline, down to 15 degrees in East London, upper teens along the KZN coastline, 17 degrees in Bombela overnight, and 14 tomorrow morning in Johannesburg. Maximums will be higher than this afternoon, 22 degrees in Pietermaritzburg, 24 in Durban, 28 degrees forecast for Pretoria, maximums above 30 in Bloemfontein and Kimberley, up to 37 degrees in Vredendal, and Cape Town warms to a high of 30. Now, on Sunday, we're expecting very isolated thunderstorms over the eastern parts of South Africa. It will become warmer along the east coast and very hot over the western and central interior. Monday, temperatures remain very hot over the central parts of South Africa, with clear, dry conditions forecast for Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, but it becomes cooler along the Western Cape coastline. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your weekend.